Alright, y'all, what's up, man? It's your boy Tazbegrinding, man. It's day one of getting ready for Camaro Fest. I'm not gonna sit here and try and, what I wanna say? What's it called? Milking. I'm gonna stuff all this getting ready for Camaro Fest all in one video. So as of right now, I didn't show myself putting the car in the air. I done made videos of that already, putting the car in the air. But we got the car in the air. We about to bleed the brakes. And we gotta put in our new brake fluid because we need a higher boiling point for the track. You don't want your brakes getting spongy on you. Shout out to Blueprint 1LE coming through, giving me another bottle. And he also, let me get the pump off of him. And we are actually changing the oil from 5W30 today to 0W40. So we got a lot, and that's not it. We're not even done yet. We still gotta put the new tires on the car, and I'll be back.
I don't know about that.
Now, before we get started the brakes, you gotta open up the brake thing and let it vent. Just set the top on there. Then when you bleed the brakes, I'm gonna show you everything you need. Let me fix the camera sideways. Okay, we back. Got my good old creeper. Almost fell off the creeper, but shut up, Jazz. All right, I need a flathead. You need a wrench. I got a size 11 wrench. You need your pump. And this is the oil. This is the brake fluid I'm using. It's the Moto 600. You know. And yeah, so you gotta start in the back, the rear right, and you gotta go inside, outside. These are the bleeders right there on the Brembos. Inside, you gotta go inside, outside. Then you go to the left, do the same thing. Go to the right, do the same thing, and go to the left, do the same thing. Yeah, I'm about to bleed them. So you want to pull the bleeder hose off the black side, and then put that on the little bleeder valve on the caliper. And then they say you kind of typically want to have the bleeder bottle in the air like that. And I'm gonna pump the brakes, so yeah. So I'm gonna go pump the brakes, and I'm gonna let y'all see if the fluid is going in the bottle.
It's like little raindrops on the bottom, but I don't know if that was in there.
I forgot to open the valve. I'm wondering why the brake fluid not coming out. Oh crap, I forgot to untighten the valve. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, I wasn't gonna record this, but I done did something stupid. Okay, so you gotta open up the valve. You're supposed to open up the valve. That was funny, Jazz. I'm like, you don't see nothing? There we go. So now y'all can see it go inside the bottle.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, it is going in.
Oh, hey Jazz.
The leg's tight.
My leg tired. All right, so we flushed out the whole system with this, and we got this in there now. I bled all the brakes, made sure it was no air in the line. I closed up the cap on the brake bottle, or the brake container, and see how stiff the brake pedal is now. I'm not gonna lie, I literally can't even push the brake all the way down to the floor, bro. Yeah, we got to get that, test him out when we get on the road. But we about to finally switch over to oil. So I was talking to Blueprint. He said the way how I drive my car, he said I might as well switch over to 0W40 anyway. And I got a little bit more power too now. So now we can stop real good and about to be lubricated properly. So let's continue. Now one thing I'm not about to show y'all though is me doing a whole oil change. I done did 2 videos of that. I don't need to keep milking those. So yeah, let's get to it. Yeah, look at Blueprint coming through. Blueprint been coming through all day. So I'm about to use this to flush out the rest of the oil in the car. We got a little bit, so I'm gonna rub some of this oil around the oil filter, and we about to flush out the rest of the oil with this. So I ain't even about to act like I'm that cold. Where my funnel at? I love this funnel right here, y'all. This Aries funnel right here, there got a little number. It bends to, all right, I'm not about to say that again. I remember my last video, but it goes to whatever shape you need it to go to, you know. So let's get that up in there. Boom. So let's flush out the rest of the bad boy. Just so y'all know, y'all want to get this tight, but you want it just to be hand tight. You do not ever want to over tighten that oil filter. You go hate that you did it, and next time you take the oil filter off. That's all I got to say. Man, Carnage is a alcoholic. He's an alcoholic, man. He already ate one. He need to eat 9 more.
Still good.
This real. This not as thick as 530. We all done with the day. I need to go get some coolant. I need to put my coolant up to the full line. That's day 1 again, prepare for Camaro Fest. So day 2 probably gonna consist of me putting the tires on the car. And I already got my helmet and stuff, so we pretty much ready for the trip. So first road trip gonna be in the car. So yeah, let's get that start up and let's see how it likes the new oil and the new brakes. You gotta try those out too. Let's go. I'm gonna put y'all back here. You know, it ain't the good mic, so. Test out these brakes and all that stuff. All right, y'all. You know what I'm saying? It's day 2. We got the big boys in the car. We got the kids all packed up. Whoever say the Camaros are smaller, you can't fit nothing in there, y'all crazy. Y'all don't know what y'all doing. I got all 4 of my tires in here. I be putting everything in this car. But yeah, man, we about to go put the tires on. I'll get back with y'all when we get to the tire shop. It's a big difference in the tread. It look pretty good, man. These are 285s in the front. I don't think I did it before and after in the front. It pop out a little bit. But the car gotta settle, so. A little bit bigger. They look about the same. Yep, so we got them things on the car. I'm gonna show y'all what the fitment look like. We got the tile on the seat. So we on dirty up the car, got the tires in the back. But we about to get back to the house. We gonna test them out.